So this time we're going to talk about composition. There are two main types of composition that I want you to focus on. And the first one is this lovely picture of these three pairs. This is something that's called a closed composition. And it's called closed because the entire frame of the picture, or the photograph in this case, is kind of caging in the pairs. They are trapped inside the picture frame. They're closed inside the box. If I go back to this picture, you will see that the pairs, the same three pairs, are arranged a little bit differently. This is called an open composition because the pairs seem to be kind of escaping from the border of the photograph or the picture or painting, whatever you're working with. If something is sitting on the edge and you don't really see all of it because it's kind of outside the borders of the project, that is called an open composition. So let's look at two together so that you can see it. Here we have two side by side. If I can get the camera to do what I want it to do. Here you got two side by side pictures. And in our two side by side pictures, you have examples of an open and a closed composition in the same area. So let's see if you can see this. I bet you can't see this. Let me make it smaller. How's that? Can we see this? There we go. I think I have it within the frame. There we go. Now you can see them both. On the top, closed composition. The pairs are trapped. On the bottom, open composition. The pairs are escaping the confines of the border. We're going to focus on two of these compositions for your next project. I want you to try one of each. We're going to draw a picture of your shoe. So please pull your shoe off your foot, sit it on the table, or if you are flexible enough, you can just fling your foot right up onto the table itself. And I want you to try to draw a picture, one with a closed composition. So one, you're just taking the entire shoe and you're going to draw the whole thing. No, you cannot trace it. You need to draw the entire thing inside a little square that you draw on your paper. And for the second square, you're going to draw it as if it is super zoomed up close. So you're going to see that the edges of the shoe are going to run off the edge of the paper. And all you'll be left with is our open composition. Here is a good example of this lovely Shoes by Van Gogh. And you have all of these shoes trapped within the edge of the paper, so that makes this a closed composition. All right, give it a try.